I'll be sharing with you guys the strategy I use in catching those sales on 75 index. You all can see we're moving in good profits. So we took our sales at this point, took our sales at this level. Basically, what was the first thing I did before I got the sales? And the strategy I use in trading 75 index is actually a secret strategy, but I want to share it with you guys now. So before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please do it to subscribe and to my returning videos. Shout out to you guys are the OGs. Let's keep doing what we do, guys. Let's get started. Firstly, I went to the daily time frame and I spotted our important levels, which is the first thing I always do. And we had the market selling off this zone. We had this level as our support level. Remember, whenever a support level is broken, it turns to resistance. So the market's reacting back to this level and selling off. The market sold off from this zone. Then we have the market creating this daily time frame uptrend. So we identify our daily time frame market trend, and we can see we had the breakout of this trend line. The market was pushing to the upside, like created a low here, a higher low. The market failed to give us a new higher low, then in continuation to the upside, but instead the market broke out of this trend, failed to give us a new higher low. So you can see the market selling off this level. This is a kind of a breakout of this level and the retest. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can actually see the market has changed its market direction from an uptrend to a downtrend. We had this break of mini trend at this point. Market broke out of this ascending channel and started the sell-off. So you can see the market has been selling off from this zone. Identify our structure as well at this point. Identify our current market formation at this level. Yeah, so let's go to the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that we had a level at which the market got to and rejected. So before I took these sales, I looked at for a couple of things. Firstly, I've come to understand over time I've been trading center of index that wherever there's a consolidation, wherever there's a kind of a noise, wherever there's a noise in the market, like indecisive movements in the market keep moving us, like markets keep creating equal highs and equal lows, but like there's no definite direction of the market. I identify those levels because whenever the market comes back to those levels, we expect a reaction to those levels. So I identify this level as an important level in the market because you can see the market doing what's giving us this kind of a choppy movement in this level, a kind of a noise, giving us noise in this point. You can see the market's pushed to this level, then started selling off. You can see the rejection if we zoom out. Then I identified a bearish order block. This is actually a supply level I identified at this point. This supply level gave me a good entry point to the market. So you can see the market got to this point and rejected in this box. It was a strong rejections. Then we took our sales. Basically. So the market is coming back to give us a retest of this our trend line. Remember, we got this trend line broken. So possibly we're expecting a continuation of this our sales from this point. So my sell confluence is we got this our noisy level. We call this level a noisy level. Basically, we got this our noisy level at this point. Then market came back to retest this level. So technically, we expect the market to give us a reaction to this point, and the reaction we expect is actually a sell-off from this zone to the downside, coming back to test our level, this level in the market, and we actually have this level, and we have this level as well. So we expect the market to contest this level again before maybe a continuation to the upside. So these actually expectations in the market on 75 index. This is actually what we analyzed. So if the market can give us a move at least to this point, in the market, then we'll be taking some good profits and watching what happens next in the market. We got this breakout of this trend line, but we still have the market direction intact. The overall market direction is still uptrend. Let's see what happens in the market. Having a retest at this level. Then we have to always trust on analysis and watch the market do its thing. Manage your risk. Know how much you're willing to lose in a trade. So be expecting the market to give us a sell-off from this level. Like we are getting a kind of a retest of this our trend line. Remember, whenever a trend support is broken, it turns to resistance. So we can see the market rejecting to this point. It gives us this test with this our bearish engulfing candle. It's actually a nice pin bar, a nice candle formation. So let's watch the market give us our expected sell-off from this point. So this trust analysis, manage your risk, know how much you're willing to lose in a trade. That would help you stay comfortable in a trade, and the minor pullbacks and all of that wouldn't get you shaking because you're already comfortable with your risk, the amount of money you're willing to lose in a trade. So we can see the market is dropping nicely for our level we actually got the retest of our trend line, and you can see the market dropping. So our expectations is for the market to give us a nice sell off more to this our level. So we'll be holding our trades, we're comfortable with our risk and all of that. So that's it, guys. Always trust your analysis and be comfortable with what you're willing to lose in the market. And we've closed out ourselves. We closed at this point basically. We saw these little rejections at this point and we closed out. And you guys can see how trusting your analysis pays off. Like, always trust analysis, always make sure you're doing the right thing in the market. And that's it, guys. So peace out.